Flashes on. Yo, Joystice.com, camping out in the woods. Got some new stickers on the what is now a Joystice Jeep. Camping at this spot and saw a bunch of wild horses that are right there, so that'll be interesting. I didn't know they had wild horses roaming. There's a small horse. Kind of a little afraid to walk up there, but anyways. Joystice.com, blue stickers weren't supposed to be that blue, but I guess that's the CMYK version. And then waiting on the actual Joystice.com license plate. And then let's see. Show the one in the front. Obviously that's just the vanity plate, but and then there's the horses just right there. Over and out.